Hi everyone, my name is Marlakani and welcome back to my Java tutorial. So in this channel, I make Java videos every week or every weekend. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be making a program to execute a full like a square. So first of all, we have to determine its length. So for example, if we write its length as 7, then it's gonna print 7 times like vertically and horizontally like that, which is gonna form a square. And to keep doing it 7 times, we have to write it like horizontally or vertically. Obviously we have to write for. So yeah, but in the first step we don't have to write the for. So int a is equals to 5. Okay, so the length is gonna be 5, and then for int a is equals to 0. And also keep in mind that we're gonna be using nested for loop. So for int a is equals to 0, a is less than I. Oh, sorry, a. Oh no, for int I is equals to 0, I is less than a, I is less than a, I plus plus for the incrementation, and then here we're gonna start the other one, which is called the nested for loop. So for int j is equals to 0, j is less than or equals to, yeah, so j is less than or equals to, so it is gonna do like the exact 5. So j is less than or equals to a, and then j plus plus. Okay, and then inside these curly braces, we simply have to write system.out.println, and then quotation mark, and then we have to write star, and then we simply have to execute the code, right? Well, no, it's gonna give us an error, which is this weird straight line. And how can we fix that? Well, we have to remove the ln because it's printing the stars after each line, which is causing to print this straight line. So look, if we remove it, it's gonna give us the result like vertically like this. No, sorry, not vertically, horizontally. Yeah. So, and then we simply have to write system.out.println. After these two curly braces, yeah, simply have to write system.out.println, and that's it. Now let's see the result for ourselves. Why is it not working though? J is less than or equals to A, right? So system.out.println. It's supposed to print, right? It's supposed to print like a full square, but it's not printing a full square though. Yeah, maybe I think I know why. Because we have to write this the other system.out.println inside the yellow one. So the yellow one, okay? So yellow and then system.out.println, and once we're done doing that, and as you can see here, it's gonna print us a full square, so horizontally and vertically. So yeah, so we're gonna have to write so yeah no we had to write the system.out.println after the curly braces of the yellow one, not after these two curly braces, because it's gonna just print a straight line, which is gonna be awful, and it's gonna look weird. Now we can also change the length, so we can also have fun with this program. So 4, so 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4. So it's gonna print um yeah, so it's gonna print a 1 2 3 4 5 horizontally 5 times and vertically 4 times. 1 2 3 4. So why is it printing 5 times here and 4 times here? Well, here we set it to j is less than or equals to a, so 4. So 0 1 2 3 4, and this 4, so 5 times. So 5 times horizontally and is less than a. So 4. So less than a. So it's gonna become 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So which is gonna become 4. So that's why here horizontally it's printing 5 times and vertically it's printing 4 times. Now let's try to change it to 2 and find out the result for ourselves. Now look, it's gonna give us a tiny result, which is looking kind of weird. So if we put 3, then check out what's gonna happen. It's gonna be like a square. See? It's forming a square. Now, so yeah, so this gonna put the spaces here so that it looks cool. Yeah, just like that. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna print out a square. But two, yeah, it's also looking kind of weird. But yeah, otherwise it's yeah, it's very good and it's also working, you know. And yeah, guys, that was it for my video. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss out any of my videos. And yeah, guys, have a nice day. Bye.